How to send one-time view pictures on Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Messenger application. This is a new feature. Before this, you would not be able to do it, and then simply search for an account that you want to send the message to. Then tap on the gallery icon right over here, and after that simply select a picture, and then here you will see an option of keep in chat. Simply tap on it and it will toggle between view once and keep in chat. If you want to send a view once picture, we toggle it until you see view once and then simply send it. Now as you can see, this is a view once picture. The next method is select the picture and then tap on edit. Now it will also give you this interface, go to view once and then send it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.